이 프로그램은 영어 소리의 최소 단위를 빠르고 분명하게 구분할 수 있도록 도와줍니다. 즉, 영어 소리를 더 잘 들을 수 있도록 반복적으로 훈련시키는 거죠.
We have radically decreased the number of kids who are failing. We have decreased our failure rate by 22 percentage points.
이 프로그램은 과학자들이 언어장애가 있는 아이들을 위한 치료 프로그램으로 개발했습니다. 컴퓨터 기술을 이용해 영어의 최소 단위 소리를 늘려서 반복적으로 듣게 하는 겁니다. 아이들은 소리를 잘 들을 수 있게 되자 책도 잘 읽고 언어 구사력도 크게 향상됐습니다.
That turned out to be a very important part of our understanding of how do you go back and retrain a brain that's trying to learn a second language as well. You have to get the brain to hear what they have already really purposely shut down. Okay, so not on purpose. I didn't say don't listen to English sounds, but my brain didn't hear them. I'm not suggesting that to learn English as a second language you want to talk baby talk, but I am suggesting that if we understand what it is about why that's useful when a brain is first learning a new language, with the right sounds, especially the sounds that are difficult because they were not in their language. So translating and getting the sounds of English more into your own mind and making them become automatic.